All right, so there's a couple of easy ways to close your browser tabs, whether you have a few or a ton of them. On Chrome, you can tap this little number up top to view all your open tabs. In this view, you can either close tabs by tapping the little X in the corner, or you can swipe tabs to the left to close them. But if you don't want to close them all one by one, there's another option. Tap the three dots up top and choose Close All Tabs. This will close all your tabs and close Chrome as well, so next time you hop in, you're starting on a clean slate. Another way to batch close tabs is to use the Select Tabs button. With this, I can select which tabs I want to close while leaving some of them untouched. After my selection is done, I'll just tap the three dots again and choose Close Tabs. If you're using a different browser, the exact steps might be slightly different, but the main idea is the same. In the Samsung Internet app, for example, I can do pretty much the same thing. Reveal my tabs, and then from the three dots, use the Close All Tabs button. And that's how you quickly close all your tabs. I have a separate video showing how to use the tab groups on your Android tablet, and I'll link it below if you're interested. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.